Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pair Ford Transit Bluetooth updated. Turn on the vehicle, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and put the system into pairing mode. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings, find Sync or Ford Audio, and tap to connect. If a passcode appears on the vehicle screen, compare digits and confirm on both devices. Wait for confirmation and test audio or calls to ensure successful pairing. If pairing fails, stay calm and try a few simple fixes. Restart your phone and the vehicle's sync system, then attempt pairing again. Remove any old devices from the vehicle's Bluetooth list to prevent interference. Verify your phone has the latest updates and check for sync firmware updates if available. Finally, move away from other Bluetooth devices and retry pairing while both devices are awake and unlocked for best results. In this video, I will explain how to pair Ford Transit Bluetooth updated. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp audio while you work on your van. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep making practical guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pairing unlocks hands-free calling and voice control for safer driving. Press the steering wheel voice button to activate sync voice commands and say a contact name or media command. Use the vehicle's audio controls to adjust call volume and microphone settings if callers sound quiet. Practice simple commands like calling a contact or playing music to confirm functionality. Hands-free features keep your attention on the road while staying connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.